Hello. In this video, I'm going to explain the relationship between a process ontology and a string diagram. Firstly, what is an ontology? You might have heard of some of the languages and software platforms for them, like OWL or Protege. Fundamentally, an ontology is a way to explain the way things are. Within the field of information science, we have the upper ontology, domain ontology, interface ontology, and finally the process ontology. The process ontology describes a process in terms of components and their relationships. This allows for a description of processes in a more intuitive fashion. It is important to note that a process ontology is about the content and not the presentation. The main areas of application are business processes, engineering, and manufacturing. A string diagram, also called a wiring diagram, is a graphical calculus commonly used in applied category theory. They constitute a box for a process and wires, which represent the inputs and outputs of the process. There are some rules that string diagrams have, but for the most part, they're inconsequential. A string diagram describes visual representation, rules of putting it together, and to an extent, content. While a process ontology is more general, insofar that it only has a requirement of content being about processes. Since the two naturally explain the same thing, processes and states, it would seem that string diagrams are a natural representation for process ontologies. There are a variety of further applications of string diagrams, ranging from AI to quantum circuits. My goal in making this video was to show the potential relationship between string diagrams and process ontologies. I use it myself to map out processes. If you want to get your hands dirty with string diagrams, go to catlab.jl or even simigrams.jl for a visual editor. Links will be below.